I'm going to do a review of the COSORI electric tea kettle. Just got off Amazon. This is my lovely assistant Azalea. I've already got, go ahead and open it, Azalea, show how easy it is. It's a push button lid. I've got, well, 3/4 full of water, enough for a couple of cups of tea. Go ahead and shut it. Shut the teapot and show them how you turn it on. Just turn it on. We'll see how long it takes from start to finish to boil. And it comes with the instructions in this card, thank you card. And it says if you register the product within 14 days of purchase, you get a bonus year on the warranty. So I like that. I'm going to definitely register it. And there's so many on, you can hear it starting to boil. There's so many on Amazon. It was so hard for me to choose. I thought I'd do a review. And my last one, I paid $2 for at a yard sale. And it lasted a few years. And then finally the heat element gave out. I stupidly didn't look at the name of it before I threw it out. But I know it wasn't a name brand. The lid on my last one, my son had to fix a few times. The button was on the handle and the button would disconnect from the lid, and he connected it about 3 times while I had it. So I hope this one doesn't. I picked the button in the middle. I like the looks of it. The last one was stainless steel and I was constantly cleaning it. This one is already boiling, I think. Yep, it's boiling. We got steam. It's good enough for a cup of tea, that's for sure. I'll update on how the tea kettle does. Thank you.
Hola, me gusta, pero vino con un golpe. Aquí hay un golpe. Y no fue del reparto, sino porque venía bien protegidito en su caja. Pero sí tiene un golpe que va desde aquí hasta aquí, hundido.